Hey everyone, Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Mortgage Dictionary. Today I want to talk to you guys about something called points. This is a term that you hear thrown around when people are talking about interest rates. And basically what it is, it's either a cost or a credit for any given interest rate that you might get. So if you hear someone saying that you paid points for an interest rate, that usually means that you paid a cost to have a lower than the market interest rate, okay? There's rates that are called par rates. If you pay a fee, you can have a lower than the par rate, okay? There's also the opposite, which is getting a credit for the interest rate. It'd almost be like a negative points. And that's if you take a higher than the market rate, you actually receive a credit that goes back towards your closing costs. This can sometimes be called a rebate as well. So when you're out shopping for interest rates, you want to make sure you look at the actual total cost of the actual rate that you're getting, because you may be paying a lot for just a little bit lower rate. So if you have any questions about that, hit me up. This is Mortgage Manfro. Thank you for watching Mortgage Dictionary.